Ascento Guard. The state-of-the-art autonomous robot known as Ascento Guard is set to shake up the security sector. Ascento Robotics, the company behind it, just secured $4.3 million to use AI and robotics to improve security operations. Designed specifically for use on outdoor patrols, the Ascento Guard can handle a wide variety of terrains with ease and speed. Among its many high-tech features are thermal, RGB, and infrared cameras. It also has the ability to charge itself, and its battery life is more than 4 hours. Without human involvement, the robot can continue operating continuously because to its all-weather capability and safe walking pace. With Ascento's robotics as a service offering, businesses can rent the cutting-edge Ascento Guard for as little as an hour, cutting expenses right away. With its reasonable pricing, Ascento Guard is within reach of companies looking to beef up their security.